Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. Let's do some home learning. In this video we're going to be talking about phonics, maths, some writing activities for this week and then some challenges for reception class. So first let's do phonics. Again for this week we have two sounds. The first one is this one and it says air. Just like the air that we're breathing, air. Even though it's got three letters, it's one sound. The tricky bit is knowing which of these sounds come first, second and third. So practice a few times writing air and then do some reading and writing of the air words. The first one is ch, air, chair. Then you've got air, hair, air, fair, and air, pair, like pair of socks. And again, your mum and dad can say, can you write for me the word fair? And then you show two fingers and you do air, fair, and make sure it looks like this. The second sound for the week is looks like this. There's lots of different ways to write in English. This is just one of the ways. We'll learn some other ones later. Again, practice those two letters that make the sound and then do some words. So the first one says bird, bird. This one says skirt. This one says third, as I came third in the race, and this one says stir, like you're stirring something. They're quite tricky, getting harder and harder, so do lots of practicing. In your packs that are going to come through the email, you're going to get some reading activities as well, with lots of words like this put in little sentences. And there is a easier version and harder version depending on how good you are. I hope you're going to all try the harder one as well. I've also sent you for phonics some tricky words. Tricky words you can't sound out. You just need to memorize them, and you need to be able to read them and write them. And these ones we've already learned, so you all should know all of those tricky words. If you don't, practice reading and writing. So again, your mums and dads can say, how do you write go? And then without seeing, you need to show them how to write that. These tricky words are what we call phase 3. You will see it on the sheet that I'm sending, and they're a little bit harder, but by the end of reception class you all need to know these. So again, have a look and then try reading and writing them. It's hard work, but you all want to be smart, so keep practicing. That's your phonics. In your maths for this week, we're going to be doing some doubling. I love this because it's fun, and there are some fun doubling raps online. I'm going to send you a link. There's a very cool doubling song that once I start listening, I'll be singing it all day long. Doubles just mean adding a number to itself. I'm going to show you some doubling with apples first. Got a bowl of apples over here, and I've got one apple, and then someone says, how do you double it? And I show them like this. Add 1 here, and I've got 1 plus 1, 2. Then someone says, okay, double 2 apples. So this is what I do. I need to add 2 more. And then I have double 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about double 3? I don't know. Can you guess? You need to get 3 apples and 3 more. And then you're going to find out what double 3 is. Count it all together. I've sent you some doubling challenges with ladybirds, butterflies, and so on. They look like this. What you need to do is count the dots and then double them. So double 2. We need to add 2 more and then count them all together. 2 and 2. When you get really good at this, you're going to do some number sentences as well. 2 on one side, plus, we all know plus, we did some addition before. 2 on this side, so double 2 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. When you get good at doubling with objects, you can do some doubling with fingers. So if I say double 2 fingers, you're going to put 2 more and then count them on your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 3, 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double 5, 5 and 5. Count them all together. The tricky bit gets tricky when I say double 6, because you don't have 6 fingers on one hand and 6 fingers on the other hand. So you need to use objects, or you can count fingers on your family members, or you just need to, again, memorize what double 6 is. These are the beginnings of multiplication later on. But it's a lot of fun. You can find some fun games online as well. Yeah, the wrap is very cool. For literacy today, this week, because I struggle with not exercising outside a lot, I need to keep healthy. So my challenge to you is, can you send me some healthy snacks? So you need to do first some sorting of healthy and unhealthy activities. I've sent you a sheet for that online. What you need to do maybe on Monday is to make a list of healthy and unhealthy food. So for example, are bananas healthy? They are. Ask your moms and dads why. They will tell you. And then you just need to write, yes, they're healthy. No. Okay. How about is chocolate healthy? Sometimes, a little bit. I'm going to say unhealthy if you eat too much chocolate. So write chocolate. How about chips? Healthy or unhealthy? Make a list. After, you're going to design your healthy snacks and write a recipe. I would like you to design 2 snacks, maybe one on Tuesday, one on Thursday, so you got plenty to do. And the writing activity will be first listing your ingredients, then listing your equipment, and then writing your instructions of how to make these healthy snacks. This is just one idea I've got here, and this is what I actually do eat for healthy snack. For this one, the ingredients would be white yogurt, banana, and some almonds. And the equipment will be a small bowl, a knife, spoon, and a chopping board. And the instructions, you need to think, what do I need to do first? Number 1, I need to peel the banana. Number 2, I need to chop the banana, and so on. So this is these instructions are what you need to write. The challenges that I sent you are all about healthy eating too. Why don't you read a healthy eating book? This is A Very Hungry Caterpillar. Again, caterpillar eats lots and lots of fruit, but also some unhealthy food. And the challenges are related to this book as well. Have fun, do lots of good learning, and we'll see each other. Bye.